My name is Steve.Vitale, and I'm here to present to you a safety moment. I come to you from Quality Integrated Services, and we're going to do a safety moment on a BLEVE. That's BLEVE, and stands for Boiling Liquid Expanding Vapor Explosion. BLEVE occurs when a vessel or a section of pipe contains a saturated liquid, and that saturated liquid is brought up in pressure. And one or two ways BLEVE typically occurs is if the top of the vessel is impinged upon by a fire and gets weakened, the top of the vessel then ruptures, and the contents of the vessel flashes out of the vessel and makes an atomized cloud of liquid and vapor, and a secondary explosion then follows. Another way a BLEVE can occur would be by having a section of pipe with closed valves, and that pipe containing LNG or some other hydrocarbon that's at its boiling point and gaining heat, and with a closed relief valve, that section of pipe will overpressurize and BLEVE. This picture shows you a vessel. It was a reboiler, and this reboiler exploded. You can see the outer shell just blew wide open. Here's another picture of that reboiler before it was removed from the plant, and you can see the damage that was done by that reboiler explosion. And you can see the reboiler here, the tubes were blown out, and the shell is wide open around the reboiler. Yes, you can prevent a BLEVE. How do you do that? By designing your hydrocarbon vessels for underground rather than above ground installation, or by providing fire protection, such as monitor nozzles spraying water on them in the event of a fire. You also need to maintain a strong car seal program to prevent BLEVEs. In the case shown here, this blocked-in LNG would BLEVE if this valve were closed. However, the car seal program ensures that the valve is a locked open valve. Also, if another valve were to be installed, this valve would also have to be a locked open valve so that that relief valve protects the entire section of pipe where LNG could be trapped.